going to talk about the time in English. Yes, how to read the time. Actually, we have two ways to say the time in English. The first one is very easy because it's similar to Spanish. Yes, for example, if I want to say que son la 1:25, I can say it is 1:25 or it is 1:25. Yes, but we have another option, and that is the option that I am going to show you today. I'm going to explain you today. It is easy, but you have to try to pay attention, and that I'm going to say. Yes, this is a clock that you can see here, in analog clock. And we are going to repeat something about that. The first one that you have to say, the long hand tell us the minutes or the hour?
Minutes.
Yes, the long hand tell us the minutes. Yes, that is the first one that you have to remember about that. And we can say another, the short hand. Yes, we are going to use another one. The short hand say us what? I'll show you like this. This one here is, okay. This is the short hand tell us what? Minutes or hours?
Hours.
Hours, yes, hours. So you can see in this case, when the long hand is in the number 12, we are going to say o'clock. Yes, that is the phrase when you wanna say en punto. Yes, o'clock. When the long hand is in the number 3, you are going to use the expression a quarter past. That means que ha pasado un cuarto. Yes. When the long hand it is in the number 6, we are going to use the express here, the phrase half past. That means que ha pasado la mitad. Yes. And the another phrase that you can see here is when the long hand is in the number 9. In this case, we are going to say quarter 2. Yes. In this phrase, you say past, and in that part, you are going to say 2. Why? That is, I'm going to explain you. In this case, we are going to divide this clock in 2 sides. Yes, vamos a dividirla en 2. Porque del lado derecho del reloj, nosotros vamos a contar los minutos que han pasado de la hora en la que estamos. Por lo tanto, vamos a usar la expresión past. Yes. Pero del lado de acá, del lado izquierdo, no vamos a contar los minutos que han pasado, sino los minutos que faltan para la siguiente hora. Es como cuando nosotros decimos 4:45, 5:45, yes. Vamos a usar la expresión 2. Yes. You can say it here. Past and 2. And in this case, vamos a contar los minutos que han pasado. Me imagino yo que usted sí sabe contar los minutitos, ¿no? Ya, entonces, ya sabemos que van de 5 en 5. Yes. En este caso, entonces, ¿cuántos minutos han pasado?
5.
5 past. 5 past. Number 2.
10 past.
10 past. Number 4.
20 past.
20 past. Yes. Number 5.
25 past.
25 past. Ahora vamos a contar del otro lado los minutos que me hacen falta para la siguiente hora. Entonces, si estoy aquí, ¿cuántos minutos me faltan para llegar a la siguiente hora?
25.
25 mismo, ajá. Very good. 25, pero ya no digo past, sino to. Yes, 25 to. Number 8, 22. Yes, 20 para. And number 10,
10 to.
10 to. And 11,
5 to.
yes, 5 to. Yes. Para decir la hora, vamos nosotros siempre a comenzar con it's. Yes, I'm gonna say you here. It's, y ahí digo la hora, ¿sí? Pero solamente cuando nosotros decimos en punto, vamos a decir la hora primero. It is 3 o'clock, it is 4 o'clock, it is 1 o'clock, ¿sí? Para el resto, no. Para el resto vamos a decir primero los minutos y luego la hora. Por ejemplo, en este caso vamos a practicar desde el más sencillo. Yes, you say it is 5 past, en este caso 3. ¿Sí? Son 5 pasadas las 3 porque este me enseña la hora. Ahora, como usted sabe, este se va moviendo en los relojes reales, ¿no? Y mientras, por ejemplo, si ya es la mitad de la hora, estará entre el 3 y el 4. No es que se quede eternamente en el 3. ¿Sí? Entonces, más o menos ahí va. En este caso sería, it is 5 past 3. Ahora sería,
It is 10 past 3.
10 past 3. Ajá. Ahora,
Water past 3.
it is a quarter past 3. Yes, don't forget it. It is. Okay, and in this case, it is 20 past.
20 past 3.
Now,
It is 25 3.
Yes, 25 past 3. Pasado las 3. Yes, y hasta aquí llegamos con el past. It is half past 3. Yes. Ahora, del lado de acá, como dijimos que íbamos a contar los minutos que me faltaban para la siguiente hora, yo ya no voy a decir la hora en la que estoy, sino la siguiente hora. En este caso sería, it is 25 to 4. Son 25 para las 4. ¿Sí? No se olvidará, para la siguiente hora. ¿Cómo sería ahí?
It is
Sí.
22 4.
20 to 4, yes.
It is quarter to 4.
Ya, ajá, vamos a cambiarle, ¿ya? Ahí sería,
Is 10 to 4.
no, para la siguiente hora.
5.
It is 10 to
Oh,
6.
5.
It is 10 to 6, porque como está en el 5, la siguiente hora sería el 6.
6.
Yes. So, I'm going to check in again. Questions? Or don't you have any questions? It's clear for you. Okay, let's try it to practice, yes? Vamos a ver cómo nos va. Andres, what time is it?
It is 22 3.
Yes, Now, Andres, what time is it?
It is 5 past 5.
It is 5. 5 past 5. Excellent. Angelica, what time is it?
It is 25 to 6.
Yes, very good. Let's try to take another one. What time is it, Angelica?
It is 20 past 3.
No, 20 past. 20 past 2, De este lado sí decimos la hora en la que estamos. Del otro lado es que solo cambiamos a la siguiente hora. Yes. Rita, what time is right now?
Yeah, it is 5 to 6.
No, aún no llego al 5, ¿verdad?
Entonces fue.
Yes, it is 5 to 5. Uh-huh. Yes, so let's try another one. And in this case, what time is it, Rita?
It is 20:30. No, 20. A ver. It is
Mhm.
8.
No,
Está en la mitad.
hasta ahí llega el past.
7,
Ajá,
entonces.
entonces, it is 7:30. Mhm. Yes. Okay. Es fácil. A lo mejor es un poco confuso al principio, pero no es difícil. Sí, es un poco difícil porque generalmente no usamos así. Pero le digo que sí, porque sí decimos son 5 para las 6, son 10 para las 8, etc. Entonces sí lo usamos también nosotros de esa manera. ¿Sí? Recuerde que la manecilla corta nos va a indicar únicamente la hora, es decir, los números, ¿no? Y la manecilla larga sería los minutos que van de 5 en 5. ¿Sí? Ahora, como yo le indicaba, nosotros también podemos usar esta otra forma. You say, for example, you say here, it is 6:05. It is 6:05. It is 4:20. Son las 4:20. It is 4:20. O podemos decir, it is 4:20. Yes, se pueden usar ambas. Cuando no hay otro número que le acompañe, decimos O, como en los años. No sé si recuerda que los años se leían también con O. Por ejemplo, el 2003, yo sé, it is 2003. Yes? So you can say that. Now, let's try to do that. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 clocks. Yes? Let's try to give in the exercise. Number 1, it is 3 o'clock. It is this one. Yes? Number 2 is color pink, 3 yellow, and 4 blue. Okay, you can do it again, please. Number 2.
Yes, oye.
Yes, you did that, please. Number 2.
It's a quarter past 10.
Number 3.
It is 8 o'clock.
And number 4.
It is a 2:30.
Yes, excellent. Okay, let's read it again. Thank you, Rita. You can say, what time do you do these activities every day? Yes, this is about your daily routine. Have breakfast, go to work or go to school, and go to bed. Yes, you have to say that in this case, I have breakfast at, and you say the time that you have breakfast. In my case, for example, I had breakfast at, I don't know, 6:15, en mi caso. Yes, I don't know about you. You say, I go to work at 5 to 7. I go to bed at 11 o'clock. Yes? Now, what about you, Angelica?
I have breakfast at 7:15.
Okay, the next one.
I go to school at 7:10.
Yes. Go to bed.
I go to bed at 8 o'clock.
Great job. Thank you, Angelica. What about you, Andres?
I have breakfast 7 o'clock. Go to school.
I go to school.
I go to school 8 o'clock. y
At
go to
8 o'clock. Antes de decir la hora, we have to say at.
at. Entonces sería, I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Yes, great job, Andres. Thank you. What about you, Rita?
I had breakfast at 8 o'clock. I go to school at 7. I go to bed to 9:30.
That's great, excellent, very good. Now, you are going to ask you, va usted a preguntarle a sus compañeros el tiempo en el que ellos hacen. Como pregunta, you have to say, what time do you? Yes, what time do you? For example, what time do you have breakfast? What time do you go to work? What time do you go to bed? Yes, so let's start with you, Angelica. Please, you have to say one question for each of them.
¿A quién le hago la pregunta?
A quien usted quiera, solo tiene que nombrarle. Pero.
What time do you have breakfast, Rita?
I had breakfast at 8 o'clock. 8.
Right, Angelica. Tome nota de la respuesta de Rita. Okay, make the next question.
What time do you go to school, Andres?
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
The next one.
What time do you go to bed, Rita?
I go to bed at 9:30.
Yes, you got it. Rita, please continue.
What times do you have breakfast, Andres?
I have breakfast at 7 o'clock.
Yeah. What times do you what times you do go to school, Angelica?
I go to school at 7:10.
What times do you do go to be Angelica?
I go to bed at 8 o'clock.
You got it, please? So, Andres.
What time do you have breakfast, Rita?
I had breakfast at 8 o'clock.
Okay. What time do you go to school, Angelica?
I go to school 7:10.
The last one.
What time do you go to bed, Rita?
I go to bed at 9:30.
Okay, very good. Number 4, it is your homework. Rita, you have a question? Yes.
Sí. Para nosotros poner la respuesta que ponemos, o sea, por ejemplo, con he o con she o como.
Depend. If the answer is Andres, you have to say he.
Entonces,
If
¿qué
your answer
pondría?
is
She
Rita,
have.
she.
He has breakfast, así.
No. Tiene que tomar en cuenta que aquí, como usted ya habla de tercera persona, debe de conjugar el verbo. Entonces, por ejemplo, digo, she goes to the work at 1 o'clock. En el caso de have, la conjugación de have para la tercera persona es has. H-A-S. She has breakfast. He has breakfast.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. You say. And number 4 is your homework. You have described 5 activities of your daily routine. Yes, and detailing the time for each activity. In this example, you have to say, I wake up at 5 o'clock. This is an example. No? And I go to work at 8 o'clock. I have lunch at blah, blah, blah. But you have to say me 5 actions. Yes? You have to say to me 5 actions. No more for today. We finish.